Hi, I'm Dr. Soumya Harish, fertility consultant at Hegde Fertility and IVF Center, Madhapur branch. Today, let us know how RFID witnessing system is helpful in IVF procedures. What is RFID? RFID is radio frequency identification that we use in identifying your gametes and embryos. So on the day of registration, you will be given a unique identification bearing a unique barcode or number from the day you start your IVF cycle. On the day of egg pickup, a same card is issued to the embryologist with the same identification number that you possess. So once your eggs are collected, the culture dish that we use to store your eggs, that is also tagged with the same unique ID. And even the sperms that are processed, the tube also is tagged with the same unique RFID. Just in case, if unfortunately there is a chance of mismatch, if the gametes happen to mix up, then the system stops working and an alarm beeps, just indicating to the embryologist that the RFID isn't matching. So immediately the gametes can be corrected and RFID witnessing can be done, and once the matching is done, the embryologist will be able to go ahead with the next step. And similarly, after performing IVF or ICSI, the embryos bearing your RFID are stored in the same culture dish. And every day analysis of the embryo growth and real-time analysis of your embryos is possible using this RFID witnessing system. So on the day of embryo transfer also, there will not be much of confusion, and you can be assured that your own embryos are utilized for embryo transfer. And it is very helpful, and it prevents confusion, human error, and fastens the process in a fertility center. Thank you.